Hello, dear students. Get ready for a fun audio lesson of English ahead. Here we will learn and have a great time together. Unit 9. The way animals talk. Like human beings, animals also need to communicate to survive. Unlike humans, they cannot speak. Instead, they use their body movements, their sense of hearing and smell to receive and transmit information to each other. The howls of wolves, the croaking of frogs, the chirping of birds, the wagging of a dog's tail, these all are examples of animals' communication. Gestures and body movements are the most common ways of communicating among animals. Animals often make specific body movements to convey certain messages. Here are some interesting examples of animals using their bodies to communicate. The wag of a dog's tail can indicate a wide variety of emotions. Dolphins slap their tails on water to seek attention. When bees find nectar, they dance to send information about its location. Deer flick their tails to warn others of predators. Animals may also use visual signals in the form of facial expressions, body posture, or mimicry to communicate. Apes and monkeys make great use of facial expressions to show their feelings. Animals also use a range of sounds to communicate. Vocal communication is essential for many important tasks like warning calls, communicating locations of food sources, etc. Some species don't just make sounds vocally to communicate. They use other parts of their bodies to make sounds. Crickets and grasshoppers are common examples. Rattlesnakes vibrate the tips of their tails as a warning signal. Animals communicate by sound because it can travel over long distances. It is an adaptable signal, which animals can change depending on the conditions. Animals communicate by touching. Mother cats nuzzle their kittens to comfort them. Male deer lock horns to show their dominance. Dogs lick their owners to show they are happy. Most animals also have a strong sense of smell and can detect specific scents over long distances. They use scents to mark out territorial boundaries, to warn off predators, and to attract prey. Snakes have a very unusual way of detecting scents. They use their tongue to pick up scent particles in the air. Apart from these common ones, some animals have unique methods for transmitting messages. Electrocommunication is one such example. It is mostly seen in aquatic animals. Some fishes have the ability to send electric signals as messages. The glowing of fireflies is a means of communication too. They use different kinds of flashes to convey separate messages. Asiatic wild dogs depend on whistling for communication. They use their whistle to send messages across great distances. However, the most beautiful way of communication has been devised by the songbirds. Birds like cuckoo, robin, and magpie make the most beautiful sounds in nature to send and receive messages. The means that animals use to communicate often seem very simple, but they are as effective as the most complex of human languages. Keep on watching for mastering in reading, listening, and speaking skills.